Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable team talks in Football Manager 2024 so you can motivate your player on a match day like a before, during and post match. You can motivate your player. So before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can make your own tactic, create your own a tactic, for example, or make your own preference for like a formation, shape, how to defense. And also, if you want to get this game free, you can make a subscription in Netflix. You can directly install this game from Netflix. And also, if you don't have a Netflix, you can download this game from App Store or Play Store, but you have to pay in some amount. Let's get started. If you wanna enable Team Talks, just tap the settings button and tap the settings and this one, Team Talks enable. Or if you wanna disable, just tap none. Or if you wanna just halftime only, just tap halftime only. But I recommend you to turn it on or enable these settings. Tap confirm. And let's see. Tap continue, go to the match, tap proceed to the match, and this is the team talk. Tap team talk so you can relax your player. This is the assistant advanced or balance or demanding. So I recommend you tap balance for the first time and your player will be confident to face the opponent. So tap continue and the match begin. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.